Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you where to locate the model name for this device. So the model name of your laptop is located on the back cover of your device. So I turned it so it faces, so the back side of your laptop faces you, and if you take a closer look right here, you'll be able to see the model and this is basically the model name of this laptop. So GWNR71517, and BL means blue, which is the color of the laptop. And that's how you check the model name of it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.